Hi, Todd with Empire Overhead Doors. One thing we hear all the time is my garage door is making a loud noise. Whether it's a grinding, banging, or scraping sounds, these are all early detectors that something is about to break. And it's good to catch it now than before it becomes a really big expense. Three things to check are: listen for where the noise is coming from, the rollers, the opener, or the top of the door. Look at the rollers and hinges for any visible loose or off track. Make sure nothing is sitting on the floor path and the photo eye sensors near the floor and are clear. And if it's still making a loud grinding noise, give us a call. We'll be there, same day service, fully stocked vehicles to get it running smooth right then and there. Boom.